Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a video about string upper and lower case function. So let me create two variables. S1 is equal to H E L L O hello W O of L T. So let's try to print this S1, and we will be printing next line with S1 dot upper method, and the next line is supposed to be s1 dot lower method. Basically, the upper method, what it does is it will convert the string value into uppercase, the complete uppercase, and the lower method, dot lower method, will convert into complete lowercase. And if there is any numbers in the string, it will straight away ignore it. Only characters will be converted into upper and lowercase, which makes logical. So let's try to run this code and see the result. Yeah, we can see this is the original text, and the when we are using the dot upper method, you will be able to observe all the string characters converted into uppercase, and when we are using the lower method, it is converted into lowercase. Thanks for watching this video.